Thanks for choosing the zTV remote. This short video has everything you need to get up and running. Inside the bag, the instructions, a Velcro strip for mounting, and the remote itself. If the print is too small, just scan the QR code to read the full manual online. We added a silicone safety cover so kids can't reach the coin cell inside. Step 1. Remove the battery tab. Pull the clear tab straight out. Your remote now has power.
Step 2. Check the LEDs. Make sure the tiny LEDs on top and side aren't blocked by the silicone sleeve.
Step 3. Programming. Pre-programmed for Samsung TVs, aim at the TV and hold the center button for 2 seconds. If the set powers off, you're done. If it doesn't respond, press and hold the center button on the zTV remote for about 10 seconds. At the 2-second mark, the LED will blink green. Continue holding. Around 10 seconds, the LED will flash red rapidly 5 times. Within 10 seconds, aim your TV remote about 6 inches away from the front sensor on the zTV remote. Press the power button on your TV remote once. Do not hold. If the LED flashes green, pairing succeeded. Red means unsuccessful. You can repeat the process to try again. To test if your zTV remote is properly paired, aim the zTV remote at your TV. Press and hold the center button for 2 seconds, then release. The LED will blink green, and your TV should respond. If nothing happens or the LED blinks red, try pairing again.
Step 4. Positioning your zTV remote. Find an optimal location for your zTV remote, ensuring a clear line of sight with the TV. The remote's top or front sensor must directly face the TV and be within a maximum distance of 30 feet. For horizontal placement, point the front sensor towards the TV, while for vertical mounting, position the top sensor towards the TV. Test your chosen location by placing the remote on a surface and holding the button for 2 seconds. If the TV responds, secure the remote with Velcro. Common placements include attaching the zTV remote to your bed headrest or night table for convenient access. Use Velcro to maintain its position and line of sight with the TV. Step 5. Using the zTV remote. The remote simplifies TV timer settings without navigating complex menus. To set a timer, use the center button. Each click sets the timer in 15-minute increments. For instance, press the button 3 times quickly to set a 45-minute timer. The green LED will flash corresponding to the number of clicks. To extend the timer, press the button again for the desired time. Any new button presses will cancel the previous timer and initiate a new one. To manually turn off the TV, press and hold the button for 2 seconds. Release after 2 seconds to turn off the TV, also canceling any active timer. Note: while a timer is set, avoid using another remote to turn off the TV, as it will turn on when the timer expires due to the TV power button's toggle function. If your zTV remote doesn't pair with your TV as expected, or if you require assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@ztvremote.com. We acknowledge that we can't test every TV model, and your feedback is incredibly valuable to us.